Handyman 11% series turns the spotlight on the 11% of women working in the trades. We talk to architects and certified passive house consultants Elizabeth Turner and Abby Muser-Herr of Precipitate in Minneapolis about climate change solutions and regenerative building.
The idea is that climate change impacts some people more than others. And so when we're looking for solutions to climate change, we should be seeking solutions that don't exacerbate existing problems, but really kind of have solutions that are focused on the people most impacted, which tend to be marginalized communities. So focusing solutions there.
So materials that are bio-based, so wood, cellulose insulation, straw, those are biogenic materials. They store more carbon than is used in the processing and creation of that building material. So when we talk about embodied carbon in buildings, like rigid foam is very high embodied carbon. So you get good R values, really efficient, energy efficient building. But while you're reducing your operational energy, that associated embodied R energy or carbon goes up, right? So regenerative, when we talk about regenerative, we're looking at the big picture, or holistically, how do we look at materials? So what the building's made of, how do we look at, and then how do we look at the energy use? And there are other facets of a fully regenerative. The Living Building Challenge has a good kind of framework of all the petals, all the aspects of what makes a regenerative building. But right now we're really focusing on first energy and now embodied carbon, where you're either generating more energy than you're using, or you're storing more carbon than you're responsible for contributing to the atmosphere through the creation of the building. Bio-based materials are can be more likely to mold or have issues with moisture, whereas concrete and foam, they are very known to just be durable. Like they can get wet, they dry out, nothing happens. So there's an extra level of kind of building science and craft that goes into making durable bio-based buildings or material and using those materials.